Google launched the Ultra HDR feature in Android 14 that enables users to create HDR photographs and videos and watch them in HDR format on a compatible phone. This feature has previously been implemented on certain flagship smartphones from Chinese brands, however Samsung did not introduce it with UI 6.0. However, it seems that the firm is working on this feature. According to Ice Universe, Samsung will introduce the Ultra HDR feature with the Galaxy S24 series. The Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra are all free phones in the range, and it is rumored that they would all have Super AMOLED displays with up to 2500 nits peak brightness, which, if true, would be 42% brighter than the Galaxy S23 series. Because of the screen brightness capabilities, it would be ideal for displaying HDR photographs and videos shot with a camera. Currently, HDR photos and videos recorded on most Android devices are mapped to the SDR display range and presented in SDR mode, despite the fact that extended dynamic range information is used. Some Android manufacturers have implemented their own methods for displaying HDR media on HDR-capable televisions, however Android 14 introduces a standard for this feature. Although the future phones will purportedly employ the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 CPU, the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus are rumored to feature the Exynos 2400 processor in most regions worldwide, including Canada, China, and the United States. The Galaxy S24 Ultra, on the other hand, will apparently feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor globally. The Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus may have 12 GB of RAM and 256 GB, 512 GB of storage, while the Galaxy S24 Ultra may have 12 GB, 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB, 1 TB of storage. All free phones will ship with Android 14-based One UI 6 software and support for at least 4 major Android OS upgrades. All three phones are believed to have an IP68 classification for dust and water resistance. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to feature a titanium body, while the other two phones in the series may continue to use aluminum for the frame. They could also feature stereo speakers and a fingerprint reader built right into the touchscreen. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.